I'm Lynne, this is my daughter Emma, her son, my grandson Griffith, and we have a strong family history of dyslexia. When I met my husband, I married into Merthyr. His mum was Welsh speaking, and when we had children of our own, I just felt that it would enrich my children, their development. Welsh was a growing language at the time, and I just felt that they would benefit from that. While they were going through Welsh education, I think they had more of an opportunity to develop their creative side and develop their self-esteem through that as well. So they were able to do lots of drama, lots of music, lots of dancing, and that it just fitted with their creative side, helped to develop them, and it gave us a lot of pride to see that as well. As well as being a mother and grandmother of people with dyslexia, I also run the Heads of the Valley Dyslexia Association, which is affiliated to the British Dyslexia Association. And through that, I work for another charity from Cardiff, working in a secondary school, a Welsh-medium secondary school locally, to provide one-to-one and small group teaching for children with dyslexia between 11 and 16. Working in the school gives me lots of pleasure, seeing the children develop with literacy. I'm able to help with mostly English, but some Welsh as well. They're very creative children. We have lots of fun. We play lots of games. And it's satisfying to see them develop.
Fi'n Griff, fi'n blwyddyn 8 a fi'n mewn ysgol rhai'n. Mewn ysgol fi'n hoffi pêl-droed, technoleg, gwyb a ymarfer corff.
Es i ysgol gynradd a gyfun a es i coleg y Drindod. So nes i mynd trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg trwy bywyd fi, a dwi caru'r iaith yn fawr. Doedd dim rili unrhyw disgwyliadau o'n i gael ar y ddechrau yn anfon Griff i ysgol Gymraeg. Ond o'n i'n stryglo ar y dechrau, oherwydd o'n i ddim yn gwybod am ei dyslexia. Oedd pawb yn cwestiynu ydy'r iaith y broblem. Ond o'n i'n gwybod bod y dyslexia yn mynd i atal fe, ond doedd y iaith ddim. Oedd e'n hawdd i Griff i darllen yn Gymraeg, yn well na oedd yn darllen yn Saesneg. So, o'n i'n gwybod bod e'n mynd i gwneud yn well drwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg na'r Saesneg. Mae Griff wedi dod yn mwy hyderus gyda'r diagnosis o bod yn dyslexia. Mae'n gwybod pwy mae yn. Mae'r Cymraeg hefyd wedi rhoi hyderus iddo fe. A dwi'n just gweld e'n tyfu yn gymaint, so dwi'n rili cyffrous am y dyfodol gyda Griff. So, naeth ddweud i rhieni paid bod yn ofnus o'r iaith, oherwydd dwi ddim yn atal plentyn o gwbl gyda dyslexia. Mae'n helpu mwy nag unrhyw beth. Mae wedi helpu fy mab i, a dwi'n rili cyffrous am y dyfodol.